Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. So it comes in a really big box. It is kind of heavy. You're going to break the seal right here. You're going to open it up and then you're going to lift here. Yeah, there's these little flaps. We're going to open up these flaps. Let's see, this thing looks not very well packaged. Okay, I lifted the sound bar out, but I think we've got some more stuff down in here. Yeah, there's a little compartment. We got remote and cables. So I checked the rest of these other compartments. They don't have anything in them. Okay, so let's go over everything. We got to take this plastic off. Ooh, it looks nice. That's very shiny on top, and it's got some weight to it. Yeah, that feels like a glass top. We've got some buttons over here. Here's the remote. We've got an optical cord, HDMI cord. Not sure, this looks like a microphone or something, not sure what that is yet. And a power cord. And two manuals. And the manual does go up kind of some general setup. This is a headset assembly. Not sure, never seen this before. Wow. That is interesting. I don't know exactly what that is. Looks like it has a headphone jack on the other end, HDMI cord. Looks like a pretty nice HDMI cord. We gotta take these caps off. And then that's the fiber optic. We got these little caps here. So I took the cover off. Now the battery comes installed, but I want to show you the battery. It does take like one of the little watch batteries. Looks like it takes a CR2032. Yeah, the remote feels really nice. It's got like a soft feel to it, power, volume, some different buttons, very small. Okay, so this doesn't sit very high, about 2¼ inches. Front to back, you're looking at 4 inches. And left to right, right around 41⅛. Now here's what the bottom looks like. Not a whole lot going on the bottom. These are some rubber mounts. Here's what the back side looks like. Here's where all your connections, I'll go over each one of those. Looks like something you can hang it off of there. But again, speakers look like we have openings. Optical in and a ether port. Service port of some sort. And then an HDMI that is ARC. EARC. Now over here we got some data, base, adapter, IR. Then this is the power cord. That's where you're gonna plug the power cord in. All right, let's plug it in. Lots of room for the electrical connection to make its turn, even for the HDMI connection too. So you're gonna plug this HDMI cord in. The small end goes to the bottom and it goes right here on the right side, yeah. So lots of room for the cords. Here's the data tag. There it is. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Yeah, I don't see any output. Again, up here, it looks like we've got some controls. Looks like you are gonna need the Bose music app. Yeah, so all the instructions is plug it in and download this app with that QR code. Now it does say it has all of these built in. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.